Okay, so now we're going to locate the shreave wheel at the top of the frame leg. And of course you'll all know that as the cables come out of the spring trays, they run over the top of the shreave wheel, run down the frame and hook up onto the bottom panel, and that's what allows the door to lift. We also have this small pulley on the other side, and that sits on the outside because of course we anchor the cables to the outside of the frame. And so it all fits nice and snugly. We've got a third part, which is the spacer. And I get told that this is quite a tricky thing to do, but I've been doing this for a while now, and I find if you just locate everything in like that, it will stay in its place. And all you have to do is get your axle, pick up holes, feed it all the way through, get your split pin, nice and easy, just slots in like that. Shreave wheel installed.